Hey guys, it's currently still December 23rd. What time?
9:13.
9:13-ish, and we finished our builds. This is what they look like. Corey already did all his checks. He had a little troubleshooting he had to do with Windows install. I guess one of his drivers for his network adapter on the motherboard didn't work, so therefore he had to tether his phone to it in order to hook up to the Microsoft server. So it's like, oh hey, you have internet, and we tried to do a workaround for it. Didn't work because they patched it. Sucks. But yeah, this is mine. I had a lot of trouble with mine because the CPU coolant orientation was, I put it the wrong way initially, and then the sad news is that my thermal pad thing like tore up really bad. They're supposed to be reusable. I haven't used that one before, but I used a different brand and it worked fine. As it was on my laptop, it was like very durable and you could just take it on and off. But next time I'll just buy 2 or 3, I guess, and then yeah, use it. But yeah, this is the build. I would have to plug mine in now, and then I guess Corey wants to do that while I set it up a little bit. It takes like 2 minutes. Yeah. You can be camera guy if you want to.
Yeah, sure.
Did you already pack up your keyboard?
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. I could just use. Well, if my front I/O works, you can show my face if you want to. I don't care. If my front I/O should work. It should have power, and if it doesn't, then whoops. Anyways, so this is the power cable. Obviously, but yeah, this is human size comparison. It's not that heavy. It's like 7-10 pounds ish, and then it just sits like this. Bam, easy, right? So I can just like lug that bitch around like it's a PS5, pretty much. It's like the big brother, more powerful. This is the gaming one. This is the different one. HDMI. Let's display. Oh. HDMI. Right? What's on just see. There it is. The first one. Of course, it's the first one. Oh, this way. Yeah, puts it in. C goes in here. They gave me 2 display ports, bro. What do I need 2 display ports for? I don't know.
Yeah, it was 2 display ports, HDMI and the USB-C.
Yeah. I guess for dual mod display ports, I guess that's fair. Oh, alright, I'll figure that out later. Alright, and then we turn on the TV. Oh, dude, not sponsored. And then we push the power button down here, and if everything works. Nope, we fucked.
Did you flip the power switch on the power supply?
I think so. Pretty sure.
It always has it off by default.
Pretty sure I switched it on. But I can't access it, right? Because it's on the bottom.
Are you serious?
I think so.
It should be just right next. Oh yeah, you have your. Oh fuck.
Alright, I'll update you guys next time, so.
Oh damn.
Yeah, that's alright.
Good part.
I'm pretty sure I turned it on.
Did you?
Yeah. So something must be off then. Something must not be sitting there. Okay. Alright. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there's no power. Alright, I'll catch you guys next time, and I'll update you tomorrow. Alright, peace, bye. Woo.